Hi guys, and welcome back to Green Scene South Coast. My name's Nick, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a few things that I've picked up from Dollar Tree and a few other stores, but I'll tell you where I got all the things that I'm getting for Christmas. I'm decorating for my family for Christmas. We're having Christmas Eve at my house. I have a family of 8. I will be setting up a dining room table with a nice tablecloth, a runner, some fresh garland that I can hopefully make by myself, and just a couple other DIYs and projects that I plan on sharing with you guys. This is probably going to be a several part video on everything and then the finished product before Christmas. So come along for the ride. I'm happy to have you. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so, and let's get right into it. I got these placemats at Marshall's, a 4-pack, probably for like $7.99 or something. Both the charger and the plates both came from Dollar Tree, which was such a good deal. The 4x8 table is actually going to go along this wall here, and this one will just get pushed over a little bit. So for our table, we're actually going to have a 4x8 table, 4 feet by 8 feet. This table in particular is going to be used for food, but I just wanted to give you guys a general idea of what I have so far for the table. So this is actually going to be the centerpiece to the main table. To make this terrarium is very simple. You're going to need an LED candle from the Dollar Tree. You're going to need some of this fake garland here. It comes 15 feet, I believe. Bless you, Winnie. I also picked up this one here from the Dollar Tree, and this one as well. But the one I decided to use was this one here. So I rolled the fake garland into a circle like this until I had it at the right height that I wanted it. And then I just went ahead and I stuck these little picks in like so. Once you get a few in and you like the position, you'll have to kind of maneuver kind of like in and around them. Tuck them in kind of the way you want them to. Mold them. They are wire, so they will move a little bit, but just be careful because if you're dealing with glass like I am, you don't want this to shatter. Then when you find your center and you have it at the height you want it for the candle, you're just going to go ahead and put your candle right in the center. It's pretty easy, and you could do this with real garland, but I plan on using it year after year, so I wanted something that was going to be on a budget and that it was like reusable. And actually everything inside of the terrarium, which I got at Home Goods for $10, which was a steal, everything inside of the terrarium came from Dollar Tree. Using the other floral picks that I had, I then put them around here, and I did remove something from this here. There's a little piece of cotton. This is what it looked like, and I just took it right off. I'm not done with this yet, but you get an idea. And this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll be sure to see you in the next one.